Look there.
Ching, ching, ching. Yeah, you're right in the ching, ching, ching. Ching, 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 ching. Wave to our old house. Ching, ching, ching.
Theo, wave to the people here outside.
Ching, ching, ching. See the people in a minute.
Theo, look there.
Look there, oh people, oh. Wave to the people. Wave.
There.
Not many people, man.
Maybe on this side. Nasa nga. Choo-choo train?
You're on the choo-choo train. You're riding the choo-choo train. This is the choo-choo train. Watchet.
Watches. I like your colour of your t-shirt.
Very bright.
Very nice.
Have a buffet card further down if you need any refreshments. Sandwiches, pasties, sausage rolls,
Lahat nagkon eh.
tea, coffee, soft drinks, and alcoholic drinks of some sort.
Theo, where are you today, Theo? You're on a?
On the choo-choo train.
Hindi siya sure.
Yeah, sure. You are riding the choo-choo train. Hindi mo na ito siya ipagkita sa tubangan ng dad.
Hmm?
Ito na siya ipagkita sa tubangan.
Ah, good.
Oo, nakahirin ka na silog.
Suod mga dito.
Karoon na ka. Balik.
Theo! Smile!
Choo-choo, you're riding the choo-choo train. This is the choo-choo train. Choo-choo! How far are you going down? A little bit further. What's that? It's the cows. Oh no! You see the cows? No, there's a boat. Oh, there's a boat. Big boat. Oh, there's the cow.
Where?
What's that? What's that? What's that? Cows. Got the boat. Oh, the boat.
Shaking, Theo!
Ano ba yun to nila mga sakuan? Plastic.
Kamusta rin dito? Ano mo lagi?
We're gonna stop. We're gonna stop and then we go again. This is where Auntie Susie lives. Ate sa una lang ka watchet niya po.
Hmm.
Castle, yes.
Where? Where?
Ito, itong part.
Oh.
Castle,
Castle.
yes, a castle. Very good. Malay baka doon kayo sa train.
Ako to?
Drugstore.
Wala pa sa hirap? Mahunong mo na. Ha? Ah, there siya na no?
Yeah, moving again for you. Moving again. Next is Blue Angkor.
Choo choo. Choo choo train.
Get on that. That's what you're already on. Tickets checked? Yeah.
That's right. That's fine. Yeah, lovely.
Where you plan on getting off?
Yes, sure.
Business video?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, bye.
Wave tayo.
Wait. Oh, what's this? What's this, Leo? Hmm? What's that?
Tractor.
What's that? Tractor. Huh? Tractor? Wow. Tractor.
Choo choo. Farm. Sa farm tayo. More about ito. Farm. Farm. Hmm? Farm.
How much you want?
Farm. Farm. This is a farm.
Where?
Farm.
She's coming. That's not enough for you. I'm expecting enough for less. You what?
I'm coming out the window.
Oh, that's... Seriously?
Yeah. We just took off. Those are to share. Alright?
Should we actually get that first?
Turn up the kind of the Mainscape. It just flew off as we were past. Yes, darling.
Ah, farm here.
What's that? There's a ship.
Thank you very
Do you
much.
see the ship?
Excuse me, young man. Thank you.
Yes. Wait. Oh, wait to them.
Oh, my darlings. Thank you very much.
Wait.
Oh.
Wait.
Oh,
Wait to the children. Oh. Wait to the children.
It's a fucking
Wait.
Wait. Oh, thank you so much. I'll give you all a hug when we get off. Oh, thank you. Oh my God, thank you.
Yeah, we like.
Do you so
I
much.
did get it from.
Did you get it from
Wait.
them?
Get it from.
This is the one that we siya gusto mo ba?
Oh, thank you, my darlings. Thank
We've
you,
got nothing
thank
to
you.
Doon kini diri. Doon kisa
It's that big to that.
kinganan ba?
Oh,
Which is why
no, because you know the door there. I went past and he went out the window.
Sakto na gini lang. Sakto na yung lunch.
So you keep me.
Hmm?
Sakto na yung kaniuto.
It's not a,
Champagne.
no, it's not.
Nagutom na.
Oh, I like this one. This is hot cider. Yeah, you're old enough now. Hey, stick it into my drink.
Iya.
See, there's another
We're
big
in
chair.
Blue
So
Anchor
there's
now.
another big chair.
Yeah,
I think
on
this is
Airbnb
called Blue
now.
Anchor. I think it's Blue Anchor. That is nice, isn't it? We'll have to get some of this for the caravan, yeah?
it's not too like.
No, it's nice. It's nice.
Choo-choo train. And then choo-choo. Wait to them.
Yeah, Blue Anchor. Yeah, they've got caravans and bungalows and things here as well. So you can catch this.
Ay, they're nice, oh.
Yeah, in and out.
They're
as well.
Right, above reference.
Oh, look at the flowers. Beautiful
So I guess we can
flowers.
just put this in for reference.
Yeah.
Flowers. Blue Anchor. And ours is next. Watchet.
Bell bag.
You're on holiday and you're on holiday and it's money to spend. It is. And just you spend it. I mean, it's your holiday money. You spend it on what you want.
Yeah. It's what I
You know.
Just train, yeah.
I don't think I should spend almost a tenner. Because you can. Well, no, I only spent a tenner to get a cable for fun.
Ito nila ba? Blue Anchor.
Bangko.
I mean, you don't have
Caravan.
to justify that you've got this. It's your pocket money.
Doon na siya nung sa kuwan.
You know.
Likod, itong sa seafront ba mo, Masya?
You're old enough to manage your money.
Yan yung mga tao na aron mo kon. Ang gawa sa ilang karaban no, babay.
Ay, babay. Yes, that's a caravan. We stayed like that in Cornwall.
Ano itong kaliguan to?
Okay, no? Also.
Hmm.
Yes. Do you like riding choo-choo train too?
Very okay. Don't tilt back. Imagine the perfect kitchen.
Iyo. Yung mga karaban talaga mga. Amo mo lang sa kon? Ito itong na
Can you imagine going to France?
Sumpay mo gula sila. Oh, ito mga
There's
karon.
soup in it, and going on the trains at
itong kon man ay sa to? Karbot ba? Di ba malapit? Mais.
Want a drink of water? No, are you sure? Huh? Have a little drink. How about, do you want them? Oh, what's that?
Tractor.
Yeah, very cute.
Ano?
Do you want a food shoot? No, okay. This is just your train.
I don't know if
We'll have
it's,
lunch in Watchet,
might not be
okay?
August, maybe September. They have like a festival, and they have like thousands of people, and they dress them all up. I can't remember what it's called. But I'm sure they have some sort of festival. So it might be September, and the bales of hay are all different costumes and all dressed up. And it's lovely, it's really nice. And there's some imagination, it's amazing.
I think so. I think it seems perfectly beige. Not like a brand one.
I think next is dumpster cast.
Yeah.
Not an issue. The size as well. The big round one. She can't
Yeah.
do nothing with it.
I know.
Pain in the backside. I know my hands.
What's that feel?
What is that?
At the church.
If I remember correctly, this is for everyone's first time in Steventon, isn't it? What? Don't remember that.
Do you remember the fair
Do charge.
when we sat here between me and him? Do you actually remember it?
Oh, you're talking about Dymchurch?
Tractor
The
tea?
hike from Dymchurch. Oh,
Where?
yeah,
That's we went to the
Smaller
train.
than
Pag pag one day ko, apa day?
Like this.
Nobody stops at Northampton.
Half the size of this train.
Karamton?
They all had to stick.
Wag wala may karamton.
Wala ka.
Wala.
Washboard na sa doon.
That's what
Washboard
we
niya
did
dre.
when we went to Jakarta. We went down there.
Washboard, pag man Watchet na tayo.
We can do whatever you want. Sure, we can.
What's that? What? It's a big house.
Is that the same lady?
It's a big house.
I know and there's Alice is having her ears pierced.
Ang tayo roast dinner lang gano.
Hmm?
Roast lunch. Kung ganyan ko ako roast lunch.
Ano to?
Domingo naman na.
Oo.
It's easy done, isn't it?
Siguro
Press the
na.
button and then the track button.
It's not actually as bad as just it's chaos regulation. I told her
Yeah.
the place the township. And she said,
Iyo.
to get used to it. So I said, well, I'll book a room. I don't think she'll do it.
Dako nga balay. Sige na Sharon oh.
Just enough.
Mga lahat ng mga apple.
Yan sa farm.
Do you know when I
Together
had
from-
mine done the first time when I was 18? I got my 18th birthday.
They use it up.
Because it was a ring. Because there was only rings in that time. They were only putting rings in.
No, leave them not only safer, they're less painful. Just with a gun, the back of the
Yes.
ear.
I can't remember. It's a long time ago. But yeah, because it used to. It was just
Oh, your tunnel.
Tunnel.
You didn't get
Tunnel.
cells. It was just looked like
It's a tunnel to you.
Oh, right.
But I like these
I must have been legal then.
they're not painful.
Okay. I haven't done it
Well, I would,
in
I've had
Chatham.
I did some stuff with that, and that was like the best. On the plus side, they don't put back on the use. The front
Don't stick your head out. Don't know one say.
Tunnel. Ay, look, butterfly. It's nice, no? You can see loads of things, oh,
You
when
want
you ride it on the choo-choo train. Butterfly.
They're not the outer windows.
Yeah, I know that. That's those little ones though.
I imagine it's the same for all the windows.
I can't imagine anybody stand on the table and stick their head out. Washford.
Washford.
Is it Washford now?
Yeah, and the next is Watchet. Oh, wave to the men, oh.
Where?
I love it.
Came past here yesterday on the taxi. Remember?
Dan sundog ka train lang.
Stop. Yeah. And we go again. And that's, yeah, and then that's the last one we check. And then we stop and then we have some lunch. Choo. Door closed. We go again. Choo.
There's one at the end.
House? Yeah. Do you like the choo-choo train?
Taas na yung train. Next ano lang, Watchet na.
Next Watchet.
Chut, chut.
Apple.
Maganda kay, ano, sayang na, nasayang man.
Asa? Masya ko ate. Nagbalay lang ako.
Kaya balay, silingan. Nang sila apple, nasayang mo. May nangaon.
Up on a hill.
Yeah.
Up on a hill.
It's the first time I've had Diamond Yeah, don't feel like it. No, it's not really a week already. I think it's real so much. Every day, this is not really making like,
Well, what would you be doing at home? Playing on the machine?
much.
We're at the train, we go on the way back. And then finally to the train. And then go to the fair. And then you've got the fair. And then tomorrow we got moss. Yeah, that's alright. They've got the moss tomorrow. And Steve House is going to get rates. So they've got centre stage, and then they've got another reds, which they have different things going on to what they do. Which should be in a must see.
Must be hungry now, Theo.
Yeah, you hungry? Masih mo daw islam?
Ikaw, masyag ka. You got do ka po. Alas 11. Ano yung start niya? Guys,
Watchet now.
See, this is what I mean. Like, if it's packed, coming the day before, I mean, like we'd still be travelling. We'd still be travelling. We'd be in London. Yeah. So, we could be in London.
ano ito yung garden?
Next
And then
stop,
you-
Watchet, good.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you very much.
No, we're stopping here. Gonna have some lunch, and then we catch the train again. Okay?
This is Watchet. It's all right. There's not a lot here. You can go down to the harbour and see the boats. Otherwise, there's not a lot here to watch it. So you can get off and then go back on again. There's not a lot.
Tanu. Tunnel.
Tunnel. No tunnel? Tunnel.
Oh, balik na. Ah. Leo, stopping here. Okay? You can have some lunch. Let's go. Church.
The flowers that things. And the little garden. That's what
My love. Ganda, dali na.
Let's go.